Your manufacturing team has done all the hard work to design and manufacture a perfect product free of quality defects. You even have visibility in your system showing that you have finished goods on hand. Your organization, and all at the plant level, are feeling that the hard part is done. However, in order to have a fully satisfied customer, all you need to do now is perfectly and completely execute the packaging, labeling, warehousing, picking, staging, scan verifying, shipping, and sending the ASN for the product. And by the way, most of the people on your team are not experts on these distribution tasks. They were hired to design and make great products without defects at cost. This is where AIM AutoSys Plus helps out your organization. Rely on us. AIM is your friend. We deliver for you. Lean on us. Count on us. Let us guide you and give you AIM vision. Let's follow the AIM path, the yellow brick road of distribution. Just click your heels 2 times. Rather than running like chickens without heads, you should be using AutoSys Plus. How does it work? Think of it as a microscope into your finished goods. Your ERP system and/or spreadsheets show that you have 10,000 pieces of parts ready to ship. But that is not all that you need to know. So now what? But are they packaged? How are they packaged? Are they packaged the right way and for the right destination, meaning to the customer's packaging specifications? Did you round to the nearest standard pack, either to the full tote, full layer, or full pallet? Have you confirmed the piece count in each pack? Do you have enough dunnage to pack the parts? Should you pack in expendable packaging? If you have to use alternate expendable packaging, are you sure that you are going to be able to bill and invoice your customer for that alternate pack dunnage? Do you even know what parts need to be packaged? Do you have a packaging schedule? Are they labeled with the necessary master, mixed, and destination labels? Do the labels have the correct format and information from the incoming EDI, specifically Kanban or RAN information? Are you sure that you didn't mislabel when relabeling? Where are the packed parts being stored? Can you use the latest technology of RFID to find the product? Do you know how to pick these parts? Are you relying on paper to do so? Or are you using technology so that teams of people can pull the same order and their pick lists will simultaneously update? Are you sure you are shipping quality products and not products that were placed on hold? Are you sure that these parts are through the PPAP process and okay to ship? Do these parts need GP 100% inspection, and is it complete? And how many shipments with GP1 certification have you made? Are you scanning all parts of the order to ensure that you are staging the load correctly and not pulling the wrong orders? And using a system to make sure that you don't leave off a container from the shipment? Are you double scanning all products, once into the Toyota shipping confirmation portal and once into your ERP inventory system? Are you creating perfect shipping paperwork, including shippers, bill of ladings, and export paperwork? Are you sending a perfect advanced shipping notice? Are you sending the ASN on time, i.e., within 30 minutes of the truck leaving your dock? Do you have an easy method to confirm that your ASN was sent and received, and can you easily find an acknowledgement of receipt, functional 997, or actual acknowledgement? At the end of the day, are you shipping exactly what your customer wants? And not too much, meaning to their EDI. Their most recent EDI sent that morning, which is probably different from what they sent to you the previous day, or even multiple pickups in a day. Are you easily and reliably retrieving your customer's requirements from EDI? And in the automotive world, any mistake is a big and costly mistake. The best case scenario is that you upset your customer, but it could mean that you have to pay for expedites, pay for sorting costs, and/or fill out corrective action paperwork to ensure your customer that you will not repeat the same costly mistake. Worst case, you upset your customer so much that they no longer allow you to bid on new work because you are now failing on your supplier scorecard and customer delivery metrics. And with all of these costs from mistakes above, you have just squandered/lost all of the profit you thought you were making by designing and producing perfect quality products. In a non-automotive world, this is why Amazon is such a friend to small entrepreneurs. Amazon takes care of distribution and does it perfectly. So what can AIM do for you? How AIM does it and guarantees it? AIM will ensure that all your parts are packaged. AIM ensures they are packaged the right way and for the right destination, meaning to the customer's packaging specifications. AIM can round your requirements to the nearest standard pack, either to the full tote, full layer, or full pallet. AIM can work with equipment, including scales, to confirm the piece count in each pack. AIM can keep track of your dunnage inventory so that you know if you have enough dunnage to pack the parts. AIM will tell you how to pack your parts and if expendable dunnage is needed. AIM can track if you use alternate expendable packaging, ensuring that you are able to bill and invoice your customer for that alternate pack dunnage. AIM will make sure you know what parts need to be packaged and provide a simple packaging schedule. This schedule even updates in real time as your operators are packaging parts. AIM will create all labels needed for your shipments based on how the parts are set up, ensuring that all parts are labeled with the necessary master, mixed, and destination labels. AIM's shipping process creates perfect shipping paperwork, including shippers, bill of ladings, and export paperwork. AIM will also send a perfect advanced shipping notice, on time, within 30 minutes of the truck leaving your dock. We have been around for 35 plus years, so no matter who you are or what ERP you are using, if you have any struggles with your distribution process, we can help. All of this is possible with just controlling your finished goods. In fact, now we think you will call them finished greats. Call us if you are interested. AIM Vision.